Hi guys, in this video we will learn about comments in C#, so let us get started. Comments are an important part of a program and are usually added to provide an overview of the code. The primary purpose of comments is to document the code so that even a layperson can understand the purpose of the written code. They also provide additional information that is not readily available. Finally, the comments are ignored by the compiler and do not affect the program execution. There are two styles of comments that are used in C#. The first one is single line comment. This is the simplest form of comment that appears on a single line. It begins with two forward slashes and continues to the end of line. And then we have multi-line comment. This form of comment can span over multiple lines. Sometimes multiple lines are required to explain the logic of a program. In such cases, multi-line comment comes in handy. A multi-line comment starts with an initiating forward slash asterisk and it ends with a terminating asterisk slash, as is highlighted on the screen. There must not be any space between the forward slash and the asterisk, so you cannot have any spaces in between these two characters. So let us quickly see how these commands look in a program. Let me quickly launch Visual Studio, and as usual we will create a new project and we will pick up a console application and name the project as comments. Choose the .NET framework, click on the create button. Okay, so if we declare a variable, say int counter equal to 1, what we can do is use a single line comment, which is two forward slashes, and put a comment like initialize the counter. You can specify a single line comment after the statement. So here we have written the statement first, and then on the same line with two forward slashes we have provided the comment. So this is an example of a multi-line comment where the comment begins with forward slash star or asterisk, and then you provide one comment, and then the comment continues on the next line and the following line, and then there is a closing star slash that denotes the end of comment, and you can write the rest of the program from the next line like this, console.write, and we display the value of the counter. Although this is a multi-line comment, but you can still use it on a single line or anywhere after a statement. So if I just copy this comment, I can write it as a single line comment using the slash star notation. So this is also a valid comment. Also, Visual Studio is very intelligent in that sense. Like when you start writing a comment, you say like this is a comment line, and as soon as you press enter, it automatically inserts a star. So that is gives a good readability in terms of writing the comment. So you can say this is another line, and if you press enter again, you say third line, and then you can complete the comment by typing a star slash, and it looks nice in terms of reading the code. Just going back to my PowerPoint, there are a couple of things I wanted to share with you before I finish this video. There's a Visual Studio tip actually. There are to-do commands which you can define and that are frequently used by developers as a reminder that they have left a piece of code to come back to. They generally have a description of the work to be performed and they are specified in this format / to do implement the whatever code you want to implement, or just a message to remind yourself what was the work. And good thing is Visual Studio recognizes this form of comment and you can quickly locate all of these comments anywhere in the application. So let's quickly see how we can do that. So let me bring back Visual Studio again, and let's say there is a method compute x value which as a developer I have not implemented, but I just want to get back to it whenever I'm ready or whenever the specifications are available to do that, or I haven't got the time to implement it at the moment. So I will leave a comment like /to do in my code. You can have space there or no space, that's fine. And then it's a lengthy program and there is another area where I need to write some method here, compute value y. In order to locate these, if it's a big project and you want to locate where you have put these to do commands, so there is a way you can do that. You can go to view option on the main menu and there is a task list and you can see all the to do commands. They are shown and it also shows you the line number where it is, so where you need to do any work. So if you just double click on any of them, it will take you straight away to the code where you still need to do some work and you can quickly navigate through it. So this is particularly helpful if there are a lot of program files and you want to quickly go to where you want to implement something. And one good thing is there's a filter you can use on the entire solution or the current project or current document or all the open documents. So to-do comments is a cool feature in Visual Studio which is lesser known to the new programmers. So I thought I will definitely share in this video. If you haven't done already, please do subscribe, share and like the video as it really encourages me to create more. Thanks.